Hey guys, B Twice here. Today's June 2nd. We're going to be taking a look at SPY for the day and QQQ just to see where we think this could be going. Not much change since yesterday. If you want to see exactly how I got to where I did on the SPY or QQ count, you can go back and look at the previous videos that are a little bit longer. You can see where this trend line came from and all that stuff. Basically, what I see that is going to happen is I still think we're going to all-time highs. I think we're going to hit somewhere between 424, 425 range. Um, right here before we do a little dip pullback. Then we're going to make a move up for 426. We'll pull back again. Ultimately, we'll be going up to 428 before we see another pullback and then head up to 432. But basically, what I showed yesterday was I saw that we pulled down for an A. We were going up for a B, and we're pulling down for a 2. I still think this is happening. We could still see a little bit more downside tomorrow. Um, but I do think here in the next few days that we should get a really big pump. And when that does happen, this whole wave three is going to happen in one day. So I think we're going to go from, maybe 418 all the way up to 424 possibly in one session. Um, so any dip right now is a buy. But at these levels high in the wave count, you definitely want to make sure you're hedged, especially with all the squeeze stuff that is happening. So be careful. But let's look at QQQ. All right, so same thing. Not much has changed from yesterday. I still think we're going up for an ABC correction. If I was to dive in this a little bit better, we might see that we're actually doing a 7 swing. Um, WX and probably going down for Y. That's honestly what this looks like. WX heading down for Y. If we can hit this 330 tomorrow, like at open, if we can get a drop, this would be a really good dip buy right here because I do think that we're going to pop towards 340 before ultimately making a move down towards the downside. But just same thing with SPY. At these higher levels, definitely worth your while to stay. With some hedge just in case it goes against you, and make sure you're using tight stop losses. If you guys like these videos, go ahead and hit a like and subscribe.